alongside my learned friend, Mr. Mutuma, is present. We are also appearing alongside Mr. Mwangi Ndegwa, present. Equally present is Ms. Anne Munyoki. We are equally appearing together with Mr. Gitari, advocate for the County Assembly. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the part of the members of the County Assembly appearing, permit me to put on record the Honorable James Ondari, present. Honorable Jacob Bagaka, present. Honorable Henry Moracha, present. That's our appearance.
Senator Ledama, take your seat. Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, I now similarly invite Counsel for Deputy Governor to introduce the legal team representing the Deputy Governor by stating the full name of each person appearing.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this is the team, the legal team that appears for the Honorable Deputy Governor. Senior Counsel Katwa Kigen, Counsel Wilkinson Ochoki, Counsel Kevin Michuki, Counsel Wilgrida Majong, and myself, Honorable Speaker, Counsel Slyvanus Osoro. Honorable Speaker, the members of the County Assembly appearing include Honorable Amos Onderi, Honorable Boss Mairura, Lillian Gore, and the Honorable Edna Kwamboka, the Honorable Ibrahim Ongubo,
Honorable Osoro, who are those people you're mentioning?
the members of the County Assembly, and who form part of our witnesses, Honorable Speaker.
No. That's not what I asked you to do. I asked you to give the names of the team, the legal team, representing the Deputy Governor.
Okay, Honorable Speaker, I also confirm that the client, His Excellency Deputy Governor, Dr.Robert Monda, is also present, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you.
Much obliged.
Very well. Now, on behalf of the Senate, I welcome the team of the County Assembly and the team of the Deputy Governor, members of the public, and the media to the Senate and to these proceedings. Finally, I will now invite the clerk to read the charges against the Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County.
Order number